I am looking to practice English speaking. Will you help me?
Yes, I will help you to practice. Let's start. What is your name?
My name is John.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from New York City.
Where are you from?
I am from New York City.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish and French.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish and French.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is burger.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the historical places with my family.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the historical places with my family.
How do you usually get to work?
I usually take the metro.
How do you usually get to work?
I usually take the metro.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Sandy.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Sandy.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I plan to visit my relatives.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I plan to visit my relatives.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I have been to Dubai.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I have been to Dubai.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is General Knowledge.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is General Knowledge.
How many hours of sleep do you usually get?
I usually get about 8 hours of sleep.
How many hours of sleep do you usually get?
I usually get about 8 hours of sleep.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking different recipes.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking different recipes.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is heights.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is heights.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket match.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket match.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is comedy show.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is comedy show.
What are you currently learning?
I am currently learning how to play the piano.
What are you currently learning?
I am currently learning how to play the piano.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends relaxing at home.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends relaxing at home.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Have you ever been to a reality show?
Yes, I have been to a few reality shows.
Have you ever been to a reality show?
Yes, I have been to a few reality shows.
What is your biggest goal for this year?
My biggest goal for this year is to improve my English speaking skills.
What is your biggest goal for this year?
My biggest goal for this year is to improve my English speaking skills.